Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are doing well. So I am back here to show you some most beautiful hairstyling video tutorial. So let's see how are we going to make. See, we have made a beautiful lovely braid in the middle and convert it into a beautiful pattern like this on the back. Now take two partitions on either side, roll your hair like this and make twisting patterns in this way. Isn't it looking pretty? Proceeding further, make a bow-like bun-like structure in this way and secure it with the help of your bun. Now, roll your hair in the way the one is doing and make it into a form of a circular shape. Now, what are we going to do? Make a ponytail like this and then secure your bun with the help of a lovely clutches. Now, let's see what are we going to do. Here we have created a beautiful lovely pattern on hair. By doing partitions and making pleats on either side and then rolling it into the form of a bun and securing with the help of lovely decorative clutches. Proceeding further again, we are making a beautiful lovely braid in the middle and then secure your hair in this way and make lovely beautiful pattern. Now what are we going to make? See, we have rolled our hair into a beautiful bun like this. Again proceeding further, we are making something innovative and something interesting that is going to suit on you. Just fold with the help of a rubber band and then make twisting pleats like this by rolling your hair and then roll your hair into the form of a bun and then secure them. Proceeding further, just do partitions of the hair and make two pleats in this way. Roll your pleats in a zigzag pattern like this and then you can secure it. Again proceeding further, we are making something interesting and beautiful. Just make a bow-like structure like this and roll your hair in this way and this is going to give your hair a beautiful, lovely, pretty look. Now, do three partitions in the hair. In the middle, you have to form a bun like this and on either side, you have to make a pleat like this and roll it in the form of this and you can secure it with the help of your pins. Again, make a beautiful pleats like this on either side of the hair and then roll it into the form like this and secure with the help of clips or clutches. Again, twisting your hair in this way and making a beautiful lovely pattern on the back of the hair. Again, twist your hair in this way using a bun pin and then secure it in this way and this is going to give you a beautiful look. Isn't it looking super amazing? Now, roll your hair into this way and on the bottom you are going to get a lovely bun. Again, just fold your hair and roll and twist your hair in this way to get a lovely bun like this. Secure your hair in this way and make lovely beautiful pattern. Proceeding further, we are going to make something another interesting. Just roll your hair back and forth and you are going to get a simple yet classy look. Again, what are we going to make? A beautiful circular bun that is going to give your hair a bouncy look. Now roll and twist your hair in this way and this is looking super pretty. Now what are we going to make? Make and roll your hair like this, twisting it back and forth and you are going to get a lovely result in the end. Proceeding further, we are yet here. Take some of the hairs out and roll your hair, twisting it this way and taking your hair, giving it a lovely and messy look. Proceeding further, twist your hair back and forth and roll it into a pleat like you are going to get a simple yet looking super pretty.